What is NLP? So in the today's video we will see what is NLP. So NLP stands for natural language processing. So how it is related to big data, how machine learning is incorporated in NLP. So we'll see one by one, and we'll basically see introduction to NLP and its applications. So NLP is a concept which is interrelated with text mining. So I will let you know in the further videos how they are interrelated. So as you can see in the pictures, the data is being generated from different sources nowadays, such as we daily use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, different social media applications we use. These applications generate a vast amount of data, and the data that we are generated generally is in the unstructured format. Unstructured in the sense it is not saved in a proper way, so it is very difficult to manage such type of data. So here big data comes into the picture. So how then NLP and text mining is related to this, we will see in the further slide. So what is NLP? So it is a branch of computer science and artificial intelligence which deals with the human languages. As the name indicates, language processing. There are different languages which we speak, such as English, Hindi, Marathi, and so on. So how we will relate these languages and how we will convert these languages into one other format? For that we can use natural language processing. So it deals with it is a part of AI and computer science. AI is artificial intelligence. So in NLP, the text mining comes into picture. Text mining is a process of deriving a meaningful information from the natural language text. So the natural language text is generated from the natural languages which are generated from human beings. So the human beings will generate the data from different sources, and this data is processed by using the natural language processing part, and that natural language text is provided to the text mining process. So these three concepts are interrelated. So what is NLP? So it stands for neuro linguistic programming. We can say in the sense natural language processing is neuro linguistic programming. Neuro in the sense the way you use your senses. So we generate the data from different types, like uh, we speak something. So when we speak, now I am speaking, so I am generating a data. I am generating a data in the form of audio. After my audio, the audio can be converted into text so that I can process it. If I want to analyze data, I have to transfer the data from audio format to the text format to give it to the machine as an input. So we will generate the data from different senses, and linguistic means how you use the languages. Now I am speaking English, so I am generating the data in the English language. If I want to transfer this data into Hindi, then I can use machine translation, or I can use some different way to transfer my English language to Hindi. So programming means collaborating these two. So I will record my speech, and then I will convert it into text, and then that English text I will convert it into Hindi. So this whole process is known as natural language processing. So collaborating the neuro and the linguistic programming is known as natural language processing. So we'll see what are the applications where this NLP is used nowadays in the industry. What are the basic things where we can use it? So first is the sentimental analysis. Everyone is aware with sentimental analysis, as we use different social media platforms such as Twitter, LinkedIn, or many other sources are there. So Facebook, we post their comments, we post their reviews. Like for Amazon, we give the product review. So if Amazon want to test that how many customers have reviewed the product as a positive, and how many are not satisfied with the product, so Amazon can use sentimental analysis, and it will classify the comments as positive, negative, or neutral, and many other things are there. So that Amazon will be clear that this product is not given more positive comments, so we have to change the strategy, or we have to increase the quality of the product. Whatever is the issue, they can resolve it easily. Similarly with Twitter analysis, the any company or organization can analyze their tweets, analyze their comment provided by the different customers, and gain their organization quality, or gain their organization policies. The next application is machine translation. As I told you, to translating the language from one language to other language, translating the data from one language to another language. The example of machine translation is Google Translator. We use it to convert our Hindi to English or English to Hindi, and different many options are there, like converting English to German language or German to Hindi and so on. So it is one of the application of natural language processing. Next is the chatbot. So it is a very interactive way and very good approach where NLP is used, and it provides a better opportunity for organization to grow their sell or anything. Like if we go to any website, if it is a job related website, it will ask us different question, as it is asking here, like what is the type of the training you want, or you want directly placement, what is the status of the application. So it is a very interactive way, so no need to directly contact the organization. The chatbot will solve the queries, and easily we can manage the communication. So it is one of the interactive approach where natural language processing is used and text mining is used. Next is the spell checker. So everyone is aware with this spell checker. Everyone have the spell checker installed in their mobile or Gmail, where whenever we are writing the mail, it will check the it will give us the suggestion, and it will give us the right spelling. So here the text mining and NLP is used to generate the appropriate result. Next is the information extraction. So if you want to extract a specific information from a large amount of document, it is very easy by using text mining and NLP. Next application is speech recognition. So as I have told you before, Google has many application, or we use nowadays, we can see Alexa is one of the example, Siri is there. So they will recognize based on the speech and convert the speech into text and then provide to the machine. So speech recognition is one of the natural language processing application. And the last one is the keyword searching. So as we can see here, I have searched utility room. When I search utility, it will give me suggestions like utility box or utility um, temp, etc. So it will give me the list of suggestion. From that I can choose the appropriate one. So this is possible with the help of the NLP techniques and text mining techniques. So we have seen many applications of NLP, and what exactly NLP deals with. So in the further sessions we will see what are the processes or what are the techniques that are introduced in NLP and text mining, and how they are applied in the machine learning part. I hope you are clear with the idea of NLP and the applications. Thank you for watching the videos. In the further session we will deal with more important things about the NLP.